right. You are crazy.
I'm making a difference. Ain't no red tape out here.
Dagger 1-3 actual. This is Sergeant Ty. We just saw your handiwork. Airspace is clear for our pilots. Alright, now it's the main event. We have 4 hypersonics to disable, each carrying an NXT warhead. These missiles travel at Mach 5 with an intermediate range between 620 and 3,700 miles. Simply put, once launched, they could hit mainland Europe within 30 minutes. Coming up on that ridge is our overlook. Beyond, the Pax outpost.
Right up there.
Once past the outpost, we'll need you to target the base as part of our air interdiction strategy. Taking out Pax's reserve of vehicle depots and supplies. Once complete, it's a straight run to the base from there.
Copy that. Your Ty. Ready up. All right, shooters. Dismount. We walk from here.
Pax patrol up ahead.
Dagger will proceed with a frontal assault. Pull back. Follow our lead.
Roger that. See you on the other side, Murphy.
All right, team. Head on attack. Let's move.
Copy.
Front, marksman! 30 meters! Front, marksman! 30 meters!
We got wounded friendlies!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
RPG! Take cover!
Engineer KIA! Engage!
Negative.
Get into position! Front, sniper! 60 meters! Low position!
Marksman eliminated!
Low position!
Light him up, Dagger!
Front, sniper! Long range!
Engage!
Unable.
Marksman! 60 meters!
Incendiary out!
Need fucking support!
Get clear of the area! Ammo over there.
Weapon secure! What's next, Ty?
Your team will focus on the silos and the Alpha and Bravo zones. We'll take Charlie and Delta.
Roger that.
Once they're all disabled, we regroup at the bunker. Good luck, Dagger.
Gotta love a shot. Gecko, call it in.
Viper 1-1, this is Dagger 1-3, actual. Targets in place for attack aviation, over.
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, on approach.
Copy that, Viper. Air support inbound.
What about the silos? Got a visual?
4 confirmed.
Like the briefing said.
Doesn't hurt to be sure. You 3-letter guys never do your due diligence?
That's our cue. Tango above down! Wall's destroyed! Dagger, on me! Sniper eliminated! Throwing incendiary! Reloading! I'm down! Patch me up!
Come on, let's get back in the fight.
You're a lifesaver! Weapons free!
Roger that.
Die! Sit rep!
Pax are swarming us. Progress to Charlie is slow.
Copy that, Quebec. We're closing in on Alpha.
Copy. Make contact once you reach the first silo.
Incendiary out! Reloading! Heavy gunner eliminated! Grab that ammo. Our Air Force has been hard at work.
Fuel tanks, planes. They've got no runway.
Even if they did, they don't have ATC anymore. Couldn't have happened if we hadn't taken over the devil.
It's giving us the edge, no doubt about it.
Ammo, over there.
Swapping out kid.
Marksman! At distance!
Take the ammo.
It's coming down!
Sniper neutralized!
Keep away from the fuel tanks. They could still go up.
Commence firing!
On it.
Go, go, go!
Tossing incendiary!
Rally on that location.
Engineer KIA!
Marksman, 60 meters, elevated.
Hold your ground!
Provide cover fire! Reloading!
Copy.
Reloading! Sniper neutralized! Status report.
We're still advancing on Charlie Silo. We're up against heavy resistance.
Viper 1-1 in your airspace. Confirm visual on one leaker. It's split past our defense perimeter. It's on my 6. I can't shake it. Requesting immediate air support. Over. Mayday, mayday. Viper 1-1 is hit. Going down. Holy shit!
Get a lock on the jet!
Confirm solid head!
Again! Hit it again!
Contact! Woo! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Nice shooting, Murph.
We ain't out of the woods yet.
Come on. We've got to move on the NXT silo in Alpha.
It's firing.
Copy.
Sniper! First silo up ahead.
Sniper neutralized. Throwing incendiary. Throwing incendiary. Heavy gunner eliminated. Deploying incendiary. Weapon here. Hemlock, that's the first missile. Make it fast.
Fuck! The NXT's mixing!
How long till operational?
Not long, cover me!
Covering!
I got security.
If this one started, sure as shit the other ones had too.
Quebec, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger.
We got a situation here. The Alpha NXC is already mixing.
Roger that. We've reached Charlie. We'll confirm once it's down.
Done!
Let's move. First silo down, Ty. Moving on to Bravo.
Pax activity is fierce. They're circling the silos. They know the missiles are our targets. Expect heavy resistance.
Copy that. Godspeed. Viking 5-2, dismount! We need that tank! Weapons hot. Pax know we're coming. Main battle tank coming through!
Murphy! We've disabled NXT in Zone Charlie. It's close to being fully mixed. Time's against us.
Copy that, Ty. Hustle up. We ain't got long.
Gun! Launcher! 30 meters! Gun! Tank! Long range!
crate. Load up.
Fuck, it's mixed. Murphy, the only option is to pierce the casing.
Will that work?
If we're lucky. If not, the nano compound will destabilize and obliterate us and everything within the area. Fuck.
Ty, the NXC at Bravo is fully mixed. If Delta's the same, you'll have to pierce the casing.
Understood.
You know what that might mean.
We know. Focus on you and yours, Murphy.
Hemlock, lower the launcher.
Dagger, cover my six. Got your back.
Run! Shotgun!
Shotgunner dead! Hemlock. Do it.
Casing is pierced. Bravo down. God, we made it.
Final stretch, Dagger. Head to the bunker and regroup with Quebec there. After that, we can flush out Kincaid.
Briefing suggests control room.
Then that's where we're headed.
Come in, Dagger. Do you read?
We read you, Quebec. Report.
We pierced the casing, but the pressure is rising.
If that missile launches, well...
It won't leave the ground.
Die.
It was an honor serving with you, Dagger. Give him hell.
The honor was ours. Die. Mills, you're coming in broken but readable. Over.
Murphy, are you safe? What the hell's going on?
We're back. All KIA. And others.
The NXCs?
The hypersonics are off the board.
Good. Kincaid should be in that bunker.
Why not level it? We've already knocked out the NXCs.
Negative. I need positive identification that the HVT is eliminated. Mills out.
Boss, what do we do?
We've run Kincaid to ground. Everything he's done, everything he took from us, it ends here. He's tested us, made us question each other and our place in this fight. The hell we've been through, the people we've lost. Let's not let that be in vain. We decide how this ends, not Pax. Always faithful?
Always forward.
Always forward.
There ain't nobody I'd rather be in this fight with. Y'all ready to finish this? On my 6!
Target the fuel tank!
Movement! Weapons on!
Give him hell, Marine!
Tossing incendiary! We clear?
Clear.
Clear this side.
Room's clear.
Damn it! The way to the elevator has been destroyed.
Murph, that wall. We can set charges. Might lead us somewhere.
Yeah, right into a Pax mess hall.
It's worth a Hail Mary.
Through here.
Mills, route to the first level's blocked. We've gone through a wall on the right.
Follow the supply room round and head up the stairs.
Where'd we be if it weren't for blueprints?
Fucked, that's where.
Stay alert. Pax can be anywhere.
All this time, Pax was planning on launching NXC across mainland Europe.
Not just Europe. Who knows where else?
This is what they stand for. Chaos. Don't ever let them cloud your judgment.
It's never that simple. You've been around long enough to know that.
This place is a damn maze.
With a rat waiting for us at the end of it.
How can you be sure?
He's not been anywhere else. This feels like Kincaid just waiting for us. Engage!
Contact! Front!
Clear of hostiles.
Weapons free! Control room's on the next floor. We go up.
Come on, let's go.
Dagger, check your corners. Remember, he's a slippery bastard. No distractions. You get the shot, you take it. Copy?
Copy.
Whatever he throws at us up there, remember we still get to choose how it ends.
Let's finish this.
No quarter given, Marines. On my lead. Tossing incendiary! Deploying incendiary! Engage! Room clear!
Come on, Murph! He's through here!
Low, Hemlock, provide cover for Gecko and me.
flank!
No hesitation. You learned your lesson from the last time, eh, Pa? Oh, Carter would be proud. Funny, guess some men just have to play the hero.
And some men just can't shut up!
Already been burned, Pa. Got scars but feel nothing thanks to Carter. Although he got his though, didn't he?
Watch this piece of shit. Mills, confirm Jackpot on Stonegate. Target is wounded but stable.
Tell Melissa Legitter says hello.
You were told to shut up!
Shut this down, Murphy.
We're bringing him in.
He can't leave this facility.
Ask her why she wants me dead so bad. You're here to clean up her loose ends.
Trying to get in your head. Same as Carter.
I'm her recruit. All this time, Pax had the backing of the CIA, you dumb fuck.
Mills!
What the fuck are you talking about?
It was all her doing, along with her cronies. They needed a big bad.
He's lying.
They fucking got one.
Georgia, Brooklyn, Carter. It's because of him. Dylan, we are doing our patriotic duty. This is how we stop this. This cannot happen again. It dies with him.
Our job is...
To follow orders. I'm ordering you, Marie, to finish the mission.
She'll bin you, just like me. You signed up to be a soldier, not a CIA hatchet man. Don't let patriotism get in the way of logic.
Dylan.
Secure him.
How long have you had an assassin on your team?
Hemlock.
Come on, you're all too smart to be dancing your heart shit.
What's wrong with you?
Stonegate's down. He was reaching.
That knife. Mills! Mills, do you copy?
Bombs are here.
They're gonna level this place.
Kincaid said it. We're collateral.
She's gonna fucking burn us all.
Dagger, move! Now!
Air support, come in! Dagger 1-3 are still in the facility! Do you read?
It's Mills!
Ask me later. We gotta go.
We're not finished. You'll answer for this. All of it.
I've got a solution.
Fuck you! You just cut down our solution.
It was never gonna be Kincaid. Men like him only care about chaos. He'd slit your throat rather than cooperate. We need another approach with Mills. And her allies.
Whether we like it or not, we're finishing this. Together.
You better hope she stays with